Hey, what's up, Car Hubs family? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest car and bike reviews. Today, we're switching gears a bit, no cars today, but we're diving into one of the most iconic scooters ever made, the Vespa. Yes, this little beauty has been around for decades, and today we're going to find out what makes it so special. Now, whether you're a fan of classic Italian engineering or just someone who's curious about scooters, this episode is for you. We're going to take a close look at what makes the Vespa stand out in the world of two-wheelers. Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk history. The Vespa was introduced in 1946 by the Italian company Piaggio. It was designed as an affordable, practical, and stylish way for people to get around after World War II. The scooter's name, Vespa, means wasp in Italian, and that makes sense when you see its sleek and buzzing design. Back then, the Vespa's design was revolutionary. It was a scooter that didn't just get you from point A to point B, it was a statement, and it's still doing that today. The camera pans over the scooter, showing close-ups of the wheels, the frame, and the handlebars. Now, let's talk about design. The Vespa is known for its unmistakable frame and curvy lines. It's compact, stylish, and definitely eye-catching. This one here is the Vespa Primavera 151 of their most popular models. It features a 150cc engine, which is more than enough for zipping around city streets. Even though it's small, the engine packs a punch. The lightweight build makes it super easy to maneuver, especially in tight traffic. And look at this, it's got a retro-modern vibe that blends the past and the present, making it a scooter for everyone, from vintage lovers to the younger generation. The host rides the Vespa around a scenic area, showing smooth footage of the scooter in motion. Riding the Vespa is an experience like no other. It's smooth, agile, and the perfect vehicle for daily commuting or weekend fun. The handling is responsive, and because of its light weight, it feels really stable at low speeds, which is ideal for city riding. Plus, with a top speed of around 60 to 70 mph, it's definitely not built for highways, but it's perfect for urban areas and short trips. It's all about that convenience and style. The host stands next to the scooter, with some fun visuals and facts popping up on screen. Alright, let's hit you with some fun facts about the Vespa. Host counts on fingers as fun facts appear on screen. 1. The very first Vespa ever made only had a 98cc engine. Imagine that. 2. The Vespa was used by military forces in various countries during the 1950s and 60s. It's seen some action. 3. And here's something cool, the Vespa has appeared in over 100 films, including the iconic movie Roman Holiday with Audrey Hepburn and Gregory Peck. Talk about cinematic fame. So, is the Vespa worth it? Well, it definitely has that unique Italian charm and practicality that makes it a great investment for anyone looking for an eco-friendly and stylish way to get around. Prices for new Vespas like this one typically start around $4,000 to $5,000, depending on the model and features. If you're looking for something that stands out and gets you noticed, the Vespa is definitely a top choice. It's affordable, fun to ride, and still has that vintage flair that'll never go out of style. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Vespa. I hope you enjoyed learning about this iconic scooter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell me, are you a fan of the Vespa, or is there another scooter you think is better? See you in the next video, and as always, keep driving or riding in style. Take care.